What's up guys? As we all remember, a couple of years ago there were rumors that Huawei was working on its own operating system. Over time, it became clear that, during the active pressure and tightening by the US government, this decision turned out to be prophetic. Now it is clear that the company will eventually replace Android and EMUI 11 with its own operating system, Harmony OS. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be incredible. Now, let's start the video. A new report from my drivers cites an interview with Wang Chenglu, head of software development at Huawei Consumer Business Group. The interview raised the question of how the company plans to replace EMUI 11 with the Harmony or Hongmeng OS in China. To this, Chenglu replied that EMUI 11 already uses the same framework as Hongmeng OS, the same system scheduler, and other similar elements. From these words, it can be understood that the latest version of EMUI based on Android 11 was specially created as a transitional version, which prepares devices for the adoption of the first public release of Harmony OS. At the moment, the new firmware version, Hongmeng OS 2.0 Beta, is already ready for various smart devices, TVs, watches, etc., while mobile devices that launch with EMUI 11 will be the first to receive Harmony OS 2.0. Based on a timeline from earlier this month, the first batch of phones to get Harmony or Hongmeng OS are those powered by the Kirin 9000, like the Huawei Mate 40 lineup, then the Kirin 995G, and eventually the entry-level Kirin 810 devices. Huawei has come up with its own interpretation of this feature, giving it the name Eyes on Display. Its trick is that it follows the user's eyes, using the front camera and a gesture sensor. As soon as the user looks at the screen, the necessary information will show up on it, while the rest of the time the display sleeps. At this stage, this option will be exclusive to the flagships of the Huawei Mate 40 series, and it is not clear if it will appear later in the P40 series. So what do you guys think about Huawei's upcoming plans about the Harmony OS? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up. So appreciate I could pick it up.